People who want to worship God in peace are losing their life. There is no media out there talking about this issue, and people actually suffering and being killed. I'm asking my friends around the world, please let's speak up for those who don't have voice. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'll start by speaking English and I'll switch to my mother tongue Amharic so everyone can understand this message. I want to share something very close to my heart. I don't know if many of you heard about it or maybe some of you already know. In Ethiopia, Ethiopian Orthodox Church, people are being killed and attacked simply because of their religion.
More than 25 civilians have been killed in East Arsi zone.
How many more people have to die before the world pays attention?
We all know that religion should not be the reason for the person to die or for the person to be killed. And the sad thing is there is no media out there talking about this issue. So nobody talks about it. And people actually suffering and being killed just because of for this reason. People who want to worship God in peace are losing their life. And this is not okay. We all know that no one should ever die because of their religion. No one should ever be afraid to pray. And religion should never be the reason for violence. It's true that we may belong to a different color, different religion, different nations, but at the end of the day, we all are human. Being human means standing together for what's right. So I'm asking my friends around the world, please let's speak up for those who don't have voice. And let's pray for Ethiopia. Let's pray for peace. Let's pray for unity. I think that's all we can do as a human. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. I'm gonna switch now to Amharic. ሰላም ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? ሰላም ናችሁ ወይ? አይ ኖ የሰማነው ወሬ በጣም ያስጠላል። ሰው መሆን በቂ ነው ይሄን ፊል ለማድረግ። ጀስት ሰው መሆናችን ብቻ በቂ ነው። ይሄ የሃይማኖት ጉዳይ አይደለም፣ የመከፋፈል ጉዳይ አይደለም። ጀስት ሰው መሆን በራሱ በቂ ነው ይሄን ፊል ማድረግ። ኢማጂን ከኛ ከራሳችን ፋሚሊ ቢሆን ብላችሁ አስቡት እንዴት ነገሩ ደግሞ ሞር ፔንፉል እንደሚሆን ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ ለደረሰባችሁ ሰዎች እግዚአብሔር መጽናኛውን ይስጣችሁ። አሁን እንደዚህ ከተደረጉባቸው ሰዎች ይልቅ ያደረጉት ሰዎች ያሳዝኑኛል። ምክንያቱም የሚያይ አምላክ አለ። ማንም ከእግዚአብሔር አያመልጥም። ሰው የዘራውን ያጭዳል። የፈለገ ነገር ይሁን we can get away with anything። በምድር ላይ ባለው ህግ ከምድር ላይ ካለው ሩል ልናመልጥ እንችላለን። ግን it doesn't matter። ቀን ቀጥሮ የሚያመጣ ቀን ቆጥሮ የሚከፍል እግዚአብሔር አለ። የሚያይ አምላክ አለ። የሱ ፍርድ ይበልጣል። እግዚአብሔር 24/7 የሚያይ አምላክ አለ። ስለዚህ ፍርድ እግዚአብሔር ነው። እግዚአብሔር ይፍረድ። እግዚአብሔር ካረዳ ሰው ሊረዳ አይችልምና እግዚአብሔር ከላይ ይርዳን። ለቤተሰቦች ደግሞ እግዚአብሔር መጽናናቱን ይስጣችሁ። የሚያጽናና እግዚአብሔር ነው፣ ሰው አይደለም የሚያጽናናው። ትክክለኛው አጽናኝ እግዚአብሔር ነው። እግዚአብሔር ያጽናችሁ። እግዚአብሔር ሀገራችንን ይባርክ።